think I'm going to name this whale Curious George. He is very curious. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, look how gentle he was to just show us his fin. Oh my goodness. That is just... now we're up. Now we're downwind of that. He's gonna... I don't want to get it all over the camera. It's raining right now, so it's a camera risk. Whoa. How close can you get to a whale's blowhole?
Making noise.
Yes, he's doing that on purpose. Oh look, what's behind? Oh, that's his fin. This is his tail. Hello, whale. Can you show us your tail? Hey, Curious George.
Oh, that smells bad. That's halitosis.
Somebody needs a menthol. Oh, watch out, here comes...
Rolling over.
He is literally rolling over again.
I like looking at it. It goes on the side. Here, look at this.
Wow, he hit the ball.
He touched the ball on the boat.
He touched the ball with his fin. I don't know, it's kind of weird. You want to move because he's so huge, and yet you don't want to move because he's so amazing. And yet, if you move, you could hurt him with the prop, so you don't want to move. Oh, he's blowing bubbles right under us.
Blowing bubbles under the boat.
Does that mean he's coming up to eat? I hope not.